Oh, it's there.
See, and down there,
Yeah.
you got it?
Yes, I got it. Move, move the camera a little bit. Yes, like that. Thanks, babe.
Look, way down there. They're everywhere.
Yeah.
Canada Day tomorrow.
Wow.
Today's Filipino Day.
So there is a lot of events tomorrow.
Well, look at this.
Yeah. That's so
I'm not paying
nice.
for this. It's very nice. You hear? A lot. There's some down there too. Look, look, look.
Yeah.
Way down there and over there and over there. 3 places.
This one is the nicest one, this one.
It's closest. It's close to us.
That's why.
Look at the other ones down there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Wow. Ooh. So nice. That's for us, babe. Yay!
They're doing it for us. They're doing it
Yeah.
for us. Wow.
I remember when we was at the Satadine Hotel and there was a fireworks outside.
Yeah, it was like this.
Yes.
This one's closer, bro.
Yeah. That's why it looks nice. It looks really nice.
It is nice. There's some way down there too. They're all
Yeah.
over. This one's close. Sounds like a guns.
Wow.
Are they down? Those are expensive. Way, way, way down there.
Yeah.
This guy's driving too fast. They're pretty loud.
Yep. So nice. I see.
Because they want to make sure I can't sleep tonight. That's the problem.
There's more.
Now it's America Day.
Wow.
See, got the light here. I saw some down there. Way down there. Look. Way, way, way down there. Can you see that far?
Yeah, that's too far.
I know. But they're all over.
This one is closer, eh?
That's the way to America. If you keep going that way, you'll go to America.
Oh, I see.
I could see the Ambassador Bridge from here. That big thing in the sky up there.
We will go to America one day, babe.
Yeah, Canada's better in my opinion.
We just go to the boundary.
But I don't know. I haven't been there. I haven't been to America in over 20 years. Over probably 30 years. I haven't been there.
Yeah.
I heard things are better there now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, they're coming to watch the fireworks. Look, these people here, these kids.
Yeah.
They're coming to watch.
I see.
They're all girls, I think. It's kind of cold.
Outside?
Yeah, it's cold out here. Pretty loud.
Yeah.
It'll never stop.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say it's top professional, semi-professional. There's some other ones down there that are better. That's far. Let's go inside and cold.
I love you, babe.
Love you too. I didn't realize it's so cold outside.
It's very cold.
Yeah, it's cold.